number if you get mine. Show me your address. You dey hide. Who say you dey? Who say you dey? Who's policeman there? Who say? You now you say now all be there and Johnny Paul in Kuya, you ready back for overthrow the government, right? Wait, you know the last text where you send, you say the text a customer. No worry about that cost. That cost then on the DNA. You say no, you say 1998 now all come. So you afraid for talker now? You afraid? You which location why the show? Who's at the show? Really? So what you go do me? What you go do me, Queta? You dey cost mama 21 days? Queta, me they change my number because of you. I they change my number because of you. I they change. No, now you get the privilege because like you, if I don't do for wake me sus, if I walk na me bathroom, me. Wait, loud left that. You say you go kill me. You say you go able to kill me if I dey free tongue. You go able to kill me. You go able to kill me if I dey free tongue, not divert. You go able to kill me. Now you dey hide. Why you dey hide right now? Why you dey hide? 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 Boy, you dey hide. You dey hide. Okay, me I dey tongue. I don't go jail to say you can't free tongue. What you go happy if I can't free tongue? What you go do? What you go do if I can't free tongue? What you go do? What you go do? What you go do me if I reach free tongue? What you go do me if I reach free tongue? If you don't see them bonding good car and they cost you for 21 days. I know. You say me life, they don't know you and what you go do me? Queta, what you go do me? You still not answer me question. What you go do me? Queta, I advise you in your interest, not for Kanye and me reach free tongue. Now in your interest, I advise you. In your interest, Queta, I don't they see, but like you kind now na be the answer me yes sir. Like you kind. Like you kind. Now na kind the answer me yes sir. You na rebel like you so you na rebel. You na big rebel. Now you the boss say you go able. You na rebel. You say you dey overthrow president being government. Second time like I be do 1997. Try am back. Try am. Me? Well, you know hard for no. You know see that all them put trial. Oh yeah, I go spy APC, but aspire APC good one pull come secret to account go SLP. Yeah, baby, now intelligence I play. But Queta, you see that coup that we make 1997? That coup way 21 people and small, hire 100 people and 21 number not do. You know do hire 100 people for cost mama. But why they hire 21 people? Me na brat. Why they hire 21 people? Why they hire 21 people like me na brat? Why? Why? I say 21 people are too small. Hire 100 people then. Hire 100 people then. Let you see. Me number there. Me that me number. I mean you don't say me number there out one clear quitter. Who say me number? How you manage get me now? You see why you big fool? You big fool too much. Look, not to be number you take call mute, so. Not to number this not to be number this you take call mute, so. Privatizement me the private me I know they hide me number now una the coward there like una they hide me not to coward. But now me not making number now they use so. Quetta, I dey come free tongue. I go then at television, I go then at radio. You know, get mind for near me. Trust me.
Speech off.
But you know that you don't want to but when I ABC then when I get boku big shot. Boku big shot now when I get big shot, boku talk. Quetta, you never do me nothing. Quetta, you know the only way join soldier. You know the only person who join soldier in a saloon. You know the only person who join soldier. Nobody else join soldier in a saloon. Oh, I know. You know the only soldier I know. Okay, right. We don't. Okay, I don't. Quetta, na the one soldier man who until I no go tongo. Soldier na the one. Quetta na the only person who join soldier. And I know the only person who train all the soldiers in a saloon. Quetta. You don't get nothing for doing work and free tongue. Nothing. But you don't do already. You don't waste your breath. You don't talk about kuboku no shi because you know how they laugh you? Because you're not clown. 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 Now you they call me. Me not call you this letter. Now you call me. You're not clown. Now you call me. Now who that calling company right now? Who that calling company right now? Eh? I call her what they find. Call her fine. Not to zero. Na zero. I they put they want to zero to na zero. You know that people. Who say you stop na school? Who say you stop na school? Who say you stop? Who say you stop na school? Who say? Who say you go school? Where you college? Whose college you go? Hey, boy, this post where they see talking that Italic all bazooka gone then gone the way past you wet pana before fire. We don't get it. I fail that course now. Fail that course. I post where they see. Now they know they ask me. You know say they ask me self. I know. Now the blind person now you talk to. So now not to the blind person. Now the blind person don't make you don't grab my you they see. You open call blind person say you the killer. You they see. Hold on, you they see. You open call blind person. You they see. You open call blind person say you the killer because you the soldier. You they see. So pound to that shame. You they see what you open call me when no they see where the cause. Say you go kill me if I can't free talk. No, we all two would have get the shame. At least if you come be soldier then when they see them, at least you they go laugh, they go say, bo, what are you they see? They laugh that man say blind, they threaten the blind man back. Say where can you go kill him? Where can free tongue? Would that go look bad? Who that go look bad, Quetta? Power 2. Right now, would that go look bad if this message people are for the pan third line, I will post not the pan third line. Post the pan third line, listen what you they threaten me when no they see. Say, if I can't talk, me na commando. You, I go kill you, I go show you me a well-trained soldier. And that's what you say. You say. No. I don't say nobody to you. Now you text me say, now lie. I never tell you that. Now you say if I can't free tongue, you they show me say you na commando. You say me life go down and you earn. Okay, let just inform you. I dey inform you now. Hold on. Let you this information right now. I don't know you called you for more they talk. When you tell me say me life go down and they clear and tomorrow they plan the whole salon made it. And they plan the whole of salon. No. Me this recording now. So I don't begin to call you. First way you call, I set you up at the from way that word where you say, I they make me lawyer then go report you now police say me life go down and you earn. But I just ask you finally say me when not they see. You they see. Are they playing? But you know me say what I tell you are the player. Just wait. All this while all the talks to the recorder still. So the best you can do, withdraw your statement now, or you go double down on them. Okay. So you still hold on to the talk where you talk say me life go down and you no so. Still, now that you say. No, I'm not saying nothing. All my this is what all my they listen now because this they go all out in the world. No, if they go me na coward. Okay, but you not the soldier and you they see to TI. You they cost me when not they see. You they cost me when not they see. You they cost me not they see that you say me when not they see. You when they see when a soldier. Why can't tongue? Because you not the only soldier in a tongue. Now you want to get soldier that you they kill me. You will like done you talk and clear. All man go here and recording. So I make a say power two. Would you negotiate? Eh? Waiting. No, not to that they talk about. Now you don't they make inciting statements against the government. Boku. You don't they make inciting statements against the government before. Yeah? So but my question is, now my own life where you don't threaten directly today because I dey go free tongue. So now you don't tell me say you go kill me if I reach free tongue. Not withdraw. Me they threaten you. I don't tell you say I don't record you right now. Not deny. Oh, you want better? You want better way you say if me na man let me reach free tongue. Two you say make I ask you. I be ask you for let you look stupid to people who they listen. You where they see with you to eye. You they see with you to eye. You they cost me. You they cost me when not they see. I wonder where APC people and they where disabled they go join like you. This na my program for tomorrow. Me family them. I don't wanna listen to me right now. They online with Amadou Quetta. They always say, "He go kill me if I reach free tongue." So today I call this na net after 8 o'clock. Today December 7, me people them. A repeat time as soon as I say, "He go kill me while I reach free tongue." This na the man we say serve with country 28 year. He say in a sergeant in train. I'm glad you wanna all follow the conversation. And I will make free tongue, my life go down 9 and. He say me na man and I dey go free tongue. If another free tongue before, if another free tongue before next year, or before or by next year, Quetta. If I dey can't tongue, I dey can't free tongue, Quetta. Hey, I dey can't free tongue. All I know is they were talking like they cover up now with you talk. I know this you. All I know is they were cover up. You know they make sense. Me they can't free tongue. You don't challenge this. And the program people when I listen this program carefully. You know they see. My way saying a soldier. If they see what in try the open call blind person say. Me the blind man way not important. Me the blind man way when they take say I not be anybody. Me the blind man way when I say no. Now me they threaten. They threaten me. You they see. You they see to eye. You they threaten me when not they see. So power two a family alone na luko. This na soldier. He say na soldier. Na soldier. Na soldier me people le. Una listen this it don't cost me mama te. It don't cost me mama. And not done day. It don't wait they call. Then now it don't threaten me life. What you the turn and give me? What you the turn give me? And I lie. Nobody know I didn't no group. He lie. Nobody know I didn't no group. Na lie. It got time there. If person cost you, not missing on the group. No, me not say the cost you na me group they cost you. Me audio. I tell you what direct. Play me on. I tell you what direct. Because you cost me mama all the whole net because I don't like APC. I buy vote for na me want to talk say APC the thief. Nigeria man Ghana man they all can say APC thief salon. Na me no more talker. All I know is they talking important. Cause different from threat. You don't threaten me life. All man know you Amadou Quetta. You don't threaten me say why can't free tongue me life they don't know you and it's very clear all man don't hear him. I'm so glad. This they go wide. And I never tell you that they say anybody for attack you. I never tell you that. Now when you tell me say you will kill me, now I say if you mistake. Okay, let disgrace me. Oh please, me say ready. Already? Yeah, play me on. Me they play you on all over. I they play you on all over. Yes? I tell I repeat and back. Me, you listen to this, eh? Listen, me, government owe me protection. And if you send person for attack me, I will retaliate. Danger older in life. You know what's it. You know what it for a danger in life. You know what's it. You don't make no sense. You don't get no use because you don't be the serve the country. Now ABC be the serve. So you life not worth anything where them for in danger. If you send person for attack me, I will send people to retaliate. And you can be sure of that. I know they are them, but the one way you don't make today, you not old soldier. Hey, you don't talk so you get people under you. You not old soldier, you get people under you where you don't train. Yeah, you say you get people under you where you don't train. No. You say now they go send for attack me for kill me. And I mean, it then are recording. And at this point, at the end of the recording now, I don't. No, but today they don't buy for you megabytes. Who don't Wi-Fi you go lent today? Who don't Wi-Fi you go lent? Who don't Wi-Fi you go lent? Who don't Wi-Fi you go lent? No.
Speech on. Google.
No, bro. This me calling London. Me calling London, bro. I don't know which your side.
Done.
This is a program for me. Family, and this you got that one today. Monday, December 7, after 8 na net. Now, Quetta call me, tell me, say, if I go free tongue, my life go down 9 hand. So, I will allow this to this show.
They say Monday. You never know the dates.
Oh, today not to Monday? Well, today to win on Monday. Stupid fool. We did 5 hours behind salon.
Now the same time, okay?
No, not to, well, now you say today not to Monday. I said me on time. Now me on time. I told you, should I talk about you big fool and stupidity? Now I have to talk, say, you too big fool. You don't know, say America did 5 hours behind now. So if I say Monday, I did talk, say me say on Monday. You fool or waiting. Set him out.
Done. Button.
Blindness. Government, they protect me. I'm telling you, government, they protect me against you threat against me life. And I'm glad you, 2 people and they are back when you called you. Bye, Bo, me, I need to talk with you. Bye. Waste your time. Bye.